Hello researchers, welcome back. In our last session, we explored how complaints and appeals are handled when misconduct is reported in research. Today, we turn to a rising threat in the academic world, predatory publications. These are journals that exploit researchers for money without offering real peer review or quality control. Understanding them is vital to protecting your research reputation. What are predatory publications? Predatory publications are unethical or fake journals that charge authors high fees to publish papers quickly without proper editorial or peer review process. They exist only to make money, not to advance science. They promise guaranteed acceptance and fast publications. They often lack genuine peer review. They may use fake editorial boards or list of respected scholars without permission. Their websites may look professional, but the content is often poor. In simple words, predatory journals are a trap for researchers. Why do they exist? Why do they exist, predatory journals? They exist to thrive because the publish or perish culture in academia. Researchers feel pressure to publish quickly for promotions and tenure, funding opportunities, academic recognition. Predatory publishers take advantage of this pressure, offering easy shortcuts that harm both author and the academic community. How to identify predatory journals? Fortunately, there are several warning signs. Number one, unrealistic promises. Guaranteed acceptance in 7 days. Your paper will be published. These are unrealistic promises. Spam emails, invitation to submit often with poor grammar. Fake metrics claiming false impact factor not recognized by standard indexing bodies. Somebody says that impact factor 5.7, 6.7, 8.9. We do not know where do they take all those impact factors. Simply they'll add it in their website. Editorial board issues, listing scholars without their consent or having no real experts. High article processing charges, demanding large sums without transparent policy. Indexing lies, claiming to be indexed in Scopus or Web of Science when they are not. So somebody may not know how to check this, so they'll make use of this particular thing. Poor website quality, broken links, low quality published articles, fake logos. The journal shows several of these signs. It's likely predatory. Databases and lists to check. To protect yourself, always verify journals using reliable databases. For instance, Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed. These are trusted international indexing services. You can rely on them. Check whether it is really indexed. DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals, Verified Open Access Journals database. Think, Check, Submit initiative. A checklist for authors to identify safe journal. Please make use of this. Also be aware of Beall's list. Although it is no longer updated officially, it provides an idea of predatory publishers. I'll give you the link in the description box. Consequences of publishing in predatory journals. Publishing in a predatory journal has a serious consequences like your work may never be taken seriously. Your publication may not count for academic promotion. Your reputation may be damaged. Future collaborations and funding opportunities may be lost. And your original work also may be lost because already it's published. It will be available online. So it will, when you try to publish in a right journal, it will show that it's plagiarized content. A predatory publication may give a quick results, but it can destroy your career in the long run. In 2013, hundreds of academics were tricked into submitting papers to fake conferences and journals run by predatory publishers. Many lost money and credibility while their work was never recognized. This shows that even experienced researchers can be misled if they are not careful. Here are some practical steps to avoid predatory journals. Check indexing. Always verify the journal is listed in Scopus, Web of Science. Go to their master list, verify, because all these in the databases, they often update, remove and add new journals, so you have to check in their homepage. Evaluate peer review. Genuine journals take weeks or months, even years to give the review, not in days. Examine the editorial board, check, confirm the list of members are real experts. Check publisher reputation. Established publishers like Springer, Elsevier, Wiley, Taylor and Francis, and etc. are usually safe, but still you have to verify. Ask mentors or colleagues. When in doubt, seek advice before submitting. Remember, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Let's summarize today's session. Predatory journals are fake publications that exploit researchers for money. They lack peer review, use fake matrices, and promise unrealistic acceptance. Publishing in them harms your reputation and career. Use trusted databases like Scopus, Web of Science, and DOAJ to verify journals. When in doubt, seek guidance from mentors before submitting. In our next topic, we will explore open access publishing, the ethical and legitimate way of making research freely available to all. Thank you for joining in this wonderful lecture on predatory publications. Here is a reflection question for you. Why do you think some researchers still choose predatory journals even when they know the risk? Think about it. Comment your views in the comment box. Then I will catch you in the next lecture, Open Access Publishing. Till then, bye and have a blessed day. Thank you.